Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Robotics is changing the world right in front of our eyes, and today, we're diving deep into the latest and greatest advancements that have me seriously hyped for the future. From drones that can control lightning to robots that can build skyscrapers, the future of tech is looking more and more like something straight out of sci-fi. And the craziest part? This is just the beginning. We're going to unpack all of that in just a minute, but before we get started, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on any of the awesome tech content coming soon. And as always, a huge shout out to all of you for being part of this amazing community. Now let's get into it. You know how much I love a good drone, and this one is next level. Japan has been hard at work on a system that can not only predict but also guide lightning strikes. We're talking about using lasers to control one of nature's most powerful forces. Think about the implications here. Not only could this prevent billions of dollars in damage from lightning strikes every year, but it also opens up the possibility of actually harnessing that energy. Imagine a world where we're not just protecting ourselves from lightning, but actually using it as a source of renewable energy. This tech is still in its early stages, but the potential is absolutely mind-blowing. I'm really curious to see how Japan refines this technology and what kind of impact it has on the world. Next up, we're heading over to China, where they've rolled out a humanoid robot sales consultant named Mornine. This thing is more than just a gimmick. Mornine can actually interact with customers, give them information about products, and even close deals. It's like having a personal assistant in every showroom. Now you might be thinking, a robot salesperson? That's a little creepy. And yeah, I get that. But think about it this way. What if Mornine could actually enhance the customer experience? What if it could answer all your questions, provide personalized recommendations, and make the entire buying process smoother and more efficient? Alright, let's talk construction. Building skyscrapers is a massive undertaking, and it's only getting more complex. But what if we could take some of the risk and danger out of the equation? That's where these flying robots come in. Researchers have developed a system called aerial additive manufacturing, which basically lets drones build structures in mid-air. These drones can fly into places that are impossible for humans or traditional construction equipment to reach. And they can place building materials with incredible precision. We're talking about a future where drones could build entire skyscrapers from the ground up, and they could do it faster, cheaper, and safer than we ever thought possible. This is a game changer for the construction industry, and I can't wait to see the incredible structures that will be built with this technology. The medical field is no stranger to robotics, but the UK is taking things to a whole new level. They've just approved 11 different robotic surgical systems for use in their National Health Service. These robots are going to be used for everything from tumor removal to knee replacements, and they offer some serious advantages over traditional surgery. We're talking about smaller incisions, less blood loss, faster recovery times, and reduced risk of complications. This is a huge win for patients and for the healthcare system as a whole. It's incredible to see how robotics is transforming healthcare and making these life-changing procedures more accessible and less invasive. This next one is straight out of a video game. Extend Robotics, a company based in London, has been testing out VR-controlled humanoid robots in a real-world factory setting. The idea here is to allow human operators to control robots from a safe distance, performing tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans to do directly. Imagine putting on a VR headset and instantly being transported into the body of a robot on the factory floor. You can see what the robot sees, feel what it feels, and control its every movement with incredible precision. This is the future of work, and it's happening right now. It's going to make workplaces safer, more efficient, and more accessible for everyone. One of the biggest challenges in robotics has been creating robots that can operate effectively in the real world, with all its unpredictability and clutter. But a new robot model called PI 0.5 is changing the game. This robot is designed to be adaptable, learning from its environment and figuring out how to complete tasks even in unfamiliar surroundings. They tested this robot by putting it in random people's homes, and the results were impressive. The robot was able to navigate through rooms, avoid obstacles, and even complete simple tasks like fetching objects. This is a major step towards creating robots that can truly integrate into our lives and help us with everyday chores. And last but not least, let's talk about exosuits. These things have always been the stuff of science fiction, but Hypershell, a Chinese startup, is making them a reality. They just launched the world's first AI-powered exosuit, and it's designed to make you feel like a superhuman. This lightweight suit uses sensors to analyze your movements and provide assistance exactly when and where you need it. It can help you lift heavier objects, walk farther distances, and even reduce the strain on your joints. And the best part? It's actually affordable, with prices starting at just $799. This is going to revolutionize the way we work, play, and even just move around in the world. So, as you can see, the future of robotics is looking pretty incredible. From lightning-controlling drones to AI-powered exosuits, these advancements have the potential to revolutionize our world in countless ways. It's an exciting time to be following this field, and I can't wait to see what amazing innovations emerge next. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment with your opinions, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more amazing content.